Hey guys, now we're going to learn how to do a baby T-Rex, the first in our dinosaur series. We're going to start with a medium brush and we're going to load it up with yellow. Do a yellow circle, pretty small, and fill it in. Then you're going to take another medium brush and you're going to load it up with green. It could be dark green or light green. You're going to do two small circles at the bottom of your yellow circle. They slightly overlap the yellow circle, so they look like that. Then you're going to take your brush to the top of the circle and do a curved line that comes out to the side. Then from one of your feet on the side here, you're going to draw a straight line and then fill that in, and now you have the tail. Then you're going to draw a line from the center of the belly to the outer edge, and that's an arm. Then you're going to do the same thing on the outside of the circle, and that's a little smaller, but it's on the same plane. And that's the other arm. Then you're going to go up top, and starting at the base here, you're going to make a staple shape. Comes out just past the body. The top of the staple is going to be thicker than the bottom. And that's the head. Now you're going to give it an eyeball with your black detail, just like so. Last thing he needs is purple spikes down his back. Take another medium brush, load it up with purple. And you'll do 3 or 4 spikes down his back, starting at the top. They get smaller as they go. And for most of the time, this will be the finished product, but sometimes you have enough time you can ask the child, hey, do you want your T-Rex to have teeth? They usually say yes. And you can go in and make little dots in here to give him some little chompers. And that's it, baby T-Rex.